Assalamualaikum. Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. Now I can share to you how to make chicken popcorn. But before it, I can introduce myself. My name is Muhammad Adam from 9th class of Junior High School 1 Tarik. Okay, let's start this video. Well, to make chicken popcorn, here I have some diced chicken, 250 grams of flour, a pinch of salt, a pinch of galangal powder, a pinch of chili powder, a pinch of pepper, a pinch of black pepper, and a pinch of turmeric powder. Also, ice water to marinate the chicken. Okay, first, mix all the spices. Mix well. Then enter the chicken dustbin, given a few drops of lime juice into the flour. Mix well. After that, dip the floured chicken in cold water for a few seconds. Then, leave and put in the flour again. Mix well. And the chicken is ready, will be fried. Fry chicken in hot oil until golden brown.